Application for change mobile number. To the branch manager, your bank name and bank address. Subject: application to change the mobile number. Respected sir, I am your full name and I hold a saving account with the account number. Provide your complete bank account number in your bank. I have changed my mobile number as I lost my mobile recently. It would be of great help if you could stop all the messages that would be sent to my old mobile number. Provide your old mobile number as soon as possible so that no one get access to my bank account. I would also like to request you to link my new mobile number, provide your new phone number and activate the message service to this number. I have attached a copy of my bank passbook and a copy of my Aadhaar card for your reference. Thank you for your kind attention and understanding. Your sincerely, signature of the sender, your signature